Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I help beginners learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the simplest way possible. In today's video, I'm going to answer 3 of the most common questions beginners usually ask before starting a web development course, especially HTML. So, if you're just starting out, make sure to watch till the end. So, let's start with the first question. Who can do this course? The answer is anyone can. Seriously, you don't need to be a computer expert and you don't need to know how to code. Whether you're a student, a working professional, a freelancer, or just someone curious about how websites work, this course is for you. All you need is a computer, internet access, and a desire to learn something new. That's it. Next question. Do you need a technical or educational background to become a web developer? Nope. You don't need a degree in computer science and you don't need to be from a tech background. In fact, many successful web developers started from non-technical fields like arts, commerce, and even teaching. What really matters is your interest, your consistency, and your willingness to practice. That's what helps you grow. Alright, final question. What's the starting salary of a web developer in India versus the US? In India, beginners usually start with a salary of 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. With some experience, it can go up to 50,000 rupees or even more. In the US, starting web developers can earn between $50,000 to $70,000 per year. That's roughly around $4,000 to $6,000 per month. Of course, salaries can vary based on your skills and location. And the best part? Many developers work remotely or freelance, which means you can earn globally too. So, I hope that clears up your doubts and gives you some motivation to get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. I'll be answering more beginner questions in upcoming videos. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss a beginner-friendly tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.